Hello. The following is a communication kit intended for use between the Texas Health Department and the general public. My name is Tina Bowen, and I am the Director of Public Relations for the Health Department. This video is to communicate to the public information on the pandemic of 2020 and what it means for you, the public. Please listen and watch carefully as measures are being taken that will disrupt your daily life temporarily. The first topic we will need to address is what this means for the public itself and what you will need to do. The public should begin wearing face masks and practice impeccable hygiene, including hand washing and cleaning regularly. We encourage local government leaders to repeat precautionary measures and practice the same measures as well to set an example to the public as we fight to slow the spread of this virus. Next, we will cover the shelter-in-place order. Everyone is under orders to remain in their home until further notice to contain the spread of the virus. If you are able to work from home, you will be encouraged to do so. Those unable to work from home will still receive their full pay, and a hold will be placed on rent and bill payments. Those found ignoring the order will have legal consequences. The next topic we have to cover is essential workers and who they are. An essential worker is considered anyone working in law enforcement, fire service, emergency services, or in a hospital setting. Essential worker shifts will be altered to ensure proper rest and time to handle life affairs. Proper credentials are essential for these workers at all times to avoid law enforcement intervention. As we understand that everyone needs to shop for groceries, we have altered grocery stores' hours of operation. However, all businesses will be closed until further notice. Grocery stores are temporarily switching to online delivery services such as Shipt, Instacart, and Favor, and essential workers can order for curbside pickup. Grocery stores' hours of operation have been reduced to 3 days a week from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to encourage only those who need to shop in person. Discounts will be offered to online customers, and those not internet literate have a hotline available to them to call in and speak to a representative who will take their order and arrange for delivery to the customer's door through contactless delivery. Finally, the most important part of this communication kit, prevention. How can you prevent contraction of the virus? Yes, the aforementioned hand washing and face masks are the #1 defense when out in public, but what other steps can be taken? Our studies have shown that maintaining a social distance of at least 6 feet will allow for proper avoidance of germs. Face masks, gloves, hand washing, and proper hygiene prevent the spread of the virus, and it is treatable with a hospital stay. Emergency Medicaid can be applied for, and shipments of aforementioned products will triple to ensure everyone can be supplied with what they need. In closing, your cooperation during this time is important. It's a frightening time in our history, but these measures will help protect you from contracting this virus, and it will protect your loved ones as well. Please be safe, happy, and healthy in these times. Thank you, and again, my name is Tina Bowen for the Texas Health Department. These measures have been created to protect you from contracting this virus.